Today I'm going to be making fries. It's not a potato fry, these are corn fries. And now let's jump to the recipe.
So let's start. Here I have a corn cob that I've cut into the size of my toothpick. With the help of a knife, I will just cut it in half. It will help us a lot. And by the way guys, this part is self-explanatory. I don't know how to explain this part. So just watch the video and you will get to know how to poke their toothpick through the kernels. Be careful, you don't want to poke your finger. We want those hands, we want those fingers to make more recipes. So be careful. So yeah, here's how I did it, and I just fast forwarded this part because this took forever, but the end result is worth it, so please do it. And now we will boil them. So in a pan I have 2 cups of water. I've just put our corn kernels in. Yeah, so we did not boil them before, because if we boil them before, the corn kernels will get soft and it will be pretty hard to take them out. That's why we are boiling it now, and we will boil them for 5 to 10 minutes. So it's been 5 to 10 minutes. You can see that smoke. I took a corn facial in this part. So I will just strain them out in a bowl. And now let's make our coating. So first, in a bowl, with the help of a spoon, I will add 2 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch. It's the same thing, easily available on the markets. And to this I will add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, put 2 tablespoons of rice in a blender and blend it for 30 seconds. Make sure to sift it before using it. And now to this I will add 1/4 cup of water. Don't add all of it at once, add it slowly and mix it gradually. And now to this I'm adding salt as per taste and black pepper as per taste. We will mix it well. And so this is the consistency that you want. You don't want it way too thick or way too runny. And now we will coat our corns that we boiled earlier. So with the help of a spoon, just coat our corn with the batter. And now we will put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to let it harden. It's been 30 minutes and now we will fry them. So the frying part was pretty hard for me. I'm not going to fry it, so my mother is frying it. So what you want to do, in a pan add oil and just put our corn in and fry them until they are golden brown. Be careful guys, because this part is very risky. Take an help of an elder. So our corns are fried, they are perfectly golden brown, and now we'll put it in a plate and cover them with our seasoning. We'll make our seasoning right here, right now. So what you want to do, put our corn fries in a plate, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. If you feel like you love chili, then add a little bit more. I just sprinkled on a little bit. And to this I will add salt as per taste. Here I'm adding a little bit of chaat masala as per taste, jeera powder as per taste, and here I'm adding garlic powder, so I added 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and with help of my hands I'm just going to mix them. It's time to serve. So first here I have a wooden platter onto which I will put our corn fries. These taste so good. I've tried them and they are amazing. They are chatpata, they are spicy, and the crunchiness is amazing. I will present it even more. So here I have chopped coriander. I'm just going to sprinkle it on. And it tastes so good and look amazing.
And our masala corn fries is ready, guys. This recipe is very yummy. Masala corn fries. Please try this recipe and let me know in the comments how good was it. And please subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notifications so that you get notified every time I post a new video or go live. And follow me on Pinterest, Facebook and Instagram at Rishita's Kitchen. I can't wait. I'm trying one. This is so crunchy and good.